How does Bob Ross start his videos? Hi guys, my name is Bob Ross and you're painting with Bob Ross. Okay, second down. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back. Yeah, I took kind of a hiatus from YouTube because I just realized there's a really annoying sound in here. And I don't know why. Yes. Anyway, back to what this video is about. So yes, if you have been following me for a while, you might have known that I haven't been active for a lot of months. And that's mainly because like I really didn't know what I was doing on YouTube. I didn't know why I started my YouTube. I didn't know where I was going with my YouTube channel. It was just a complete mess. Kind of still is, but at least I have a better purpose for it. So I really got tired of just doing hair videos, and I know if I was tired of doing hair videos, y'all was tired of watching hair videos. And I always say that if you love something, then it should never be a chore to you. And setting up the lights, the products, doing my hair on camera instead of in a bathroom with my playlist, it got really like annoying. So I was like, there's more to me than just my hair videos. There's more to me than just what products I do and don't like. And I don't know why I just, what's the word I'm looking for? Box myself in to that category when there's so much more for me to offer. By the way, today as I talk to you guys, I'm going to be painting this painting. Can you see? This is my painting that I'm going to be painting. Yeah, but yeah, like I just realized that I wasn't doing anything that really not only benefited me but like could benefit other people. So then by the help of my good friend Bianca, she was like,
just exploit yourself, you know, just exploit your pain and your suffering and your brokerage. And I'm like,
you're right. So I'm just gonna like share with you guys the things that I've been going through, because I realized that this point of my life, a lot of us are going through this particular point in our life. I'm a senior in college, graduating May 21st, 2020. Not really sure where I'm going after that. I have a couple avenues that I would like to see where that leads, but again, everything's up in the air at this point. And I realize a lot of people are like me, stressing, don't know what to do, trying to make it through. So it's like, why not just document my story or document my struggle or my happening so that maybe it could help somebody else. So that's what I'm going to do. So I was like steady thinking about what am I going to do with my summer. I couldn't do any summer internships where I had to travel to New York because I live in South Jersey, so I'm not going to New York every day from the deep south of Jersey. Thankfully, Kane University came through and I make $12 an hour, and I could work up to 50 hours between like in total of 2 weeks. So like this is perfect. They were like, oh, since you already worked in another department, you have to do transfer departments. And they would say that could take up to 2 to 4 weeks. I'm like, at first they said up to 2 weeks. And I'm like, okay, you know, I can go home and see my parents this and third. 2 weeks, that's fine. Then 2 weeks turned to 3 weeks. 3 weeks turned to 4. 4 turned to 5.
No.
I was supposed to start May 22nd. I didn't start here till June 26th. That's a whole month of no money at all. I'm the type of person where I hate not having money, and I hate not having my own money. So it just like really made me stressed, and it made me angry that a job that said I would be there like to work kept pushing it back. You know, it's always an excuse. So that was my beginning of my summer. So basically, yeah, I'm here right now in my dorm room. I have a smaller room, and then like I've had a couple breakdowns.
You know, I wasted everyone's money, I wasted everyone's everything, and I feel bad. You don't think I feel bad?
Like a couple breakdowns. And I'm not one to cry. I don't like crying. So I'm saying all this to tell you that like life can be very stressful, especially when you're a young adult trying to make it. It's very stressful. It's very stressful to the point where I didn't even think it would be this stressful. Like I didn't think it would be this hard, but it is. But when life gets like this, you just have to remember to take a breath, calm yourself down, center yourself, be in the moment, figure it out what it is you need to do, and I promise you, you'll feel better. After I went through that horrendous week and I got through like breaking down and crying and wanting to go home, like I literally texted my friends, I want to go home, like I don't want to be here. After going through all that, I realized that it wasn't that bad, and that I do need to be grateful that 1, I have a job, 2, I have a free place to stay, 3, I have a friend who is going to help and support me, 4, I have parents who are going to help me get there, and 5, that I still have my sanity. Like, there's a lot to thank God for, and I just wasn't doing it. And I feel like he was like, she's not being thankful for anything that I've given her. So I'm just continue to make her, like, let her stress until she realizes who has been helping her and who has been providing for her. And he was damn right, because I sure as hell was forgetting. I'm good, stable, not feeling crazy, painting as you can see. The only thing that's really on my mind right now is just figuring out what I want to do creatively. Like, I decided to start on my YouTube again. I am happy about that. Yeah, and I just taking a breath and just going through life at one day at a time. And if you guys want to continue to see my journey through my senior year of college and what I'm gonna do after that, stick around and maybe you'll see me finish this painting, and hopefully I don't go AWOL again, and hopefully I stay stable. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.